We already start this topic, many parts we have done, properties we done, prove that questions we done, use of the determinants also we done. Now we will do some more points. That is, first point is the minor. What is the minor? Minor of an elements aij of a determinant is the determinant obtained by deleting its ith row and jth column in which element aij lie. It is denoted by mij. Look here, you can understand. To take the one example means this example we will take. This is a 2 into 2 determinant, and this 2 into 2 determinants we have two row here, first row and second row. First row, first element is a11, second element is a12, and second row, first row element is a21 and second element is a22. So we have here 4 minors. Here total elements are minors. For each element we will have a minors. So look here how we find the minor, that you can check. Look here, we want to find the minors of this determinant. So this is 2 into 2 determinant and we will find minors. First we find M11. What is M11? You know, M11 means minor of A11. Minor of A11. Where is the A11 elements that we have to find out? Look here, this is the A11 element. And in this, what we will take? We will delete the row and column in which thus A11 present. So what is the remaining? A22 is present, and A22 determinants you will solve, you will get A22. So answer is A22. Here is this is the determinant, not a modulus sign. Similarly, we will find for the other elements, that is the minor of A12. A12 minor, how we can find? Look here, we will not take this A12 minor is called M12. M12 means minor of A12, means that will be first row and second column will not take. So element is A21 determinant. A21 determinant is value is A21. Similarly, we will find the M21. M21 means minor of A21. A21 is where? This is A21, and A21 means this row and column will not take. So element is what is? A12 determinant is remaining. So that is value is A12. Now same type we will find the last is M22. M22 means minor of A22. A22 means you will write A11 only. So you get 11. So all of you understand this. For the 4 elements we find the 4 minors. We will take one example also. This example we take and we will find the minor of all these elements. Here also 4 elements are given to you and 4 minors you can find here. First you will find M11. M11 means minor of 2. This is 2. And here you will not take these elements, you get -7. Similarly, we will find the minor this M12. M12 means minor of 3, and 3 is here, means you will not take these elements, you have -5. Same type you will find M21. M21 means minor of -5. This is -5, and you will not take these, so you will get 3. Similarly, you find the minor of this M22. M22 means second row, second column element, that is this -7, and you will not take row and column, you get 2. So hope you understand this how to find the minor. Means minor definitions already we done in starting, that minor, what is the minor? Is minor of, what is the definition? Is minor of an element aij of a determinant is the determinant obtained by deleting its ith row and jth column in which the element aij is lie. It is denoted by mij. So all of you understand these definitions. Now next question will be, find the minors for 3 into 3. 3 into 3 we will have total here 9 minors we will have. And how we can find 9 minors, you can check. This is a 3 into 3 determinant is given to you, and your first row, this is first M11. M11 means this is M11. First row, first column elements means minor of A11. And that you will not take first row and first column, means remaining you will have A22, A23, A32 and A33. These elements you will write here. And this is 2 into 2 determinant. How we can solve? We will do cross product. So A22 into A33 minus A32 and A23 you get. Same as it is, we find M12. M12 meaning is what is? M12 means first row, second column elements. This is the A12. A12 means minor of A12 you have to find. A12 means this first row and second column will not take. Remaining elements, these are the remaining elements that you will write here. And how you open the determinant, this is a 2 into 2 determinant, you will open by the cross product. So cross product you do, you will get the answer. How we find M13? M13 we will find minor of A13. 13 means first row and third column element, that is this element. So minor of 13 will first row and third column will not take, so remaining elements you will write here, and that you will open by the cross product A21 into A32 and A31 and A22. So you hope you understand this, how to find the minors. Now same as it is, we have to find the minors for other also, that we find this M21. M21 meaning is second row first column element. This is the second row first column elements, means you will not take second row and first column. So remaining elements you will write here A12, A13, A32 and A33. So now this you have to cross multiply, you will get this answer. Same as it is, you can see that you will find M22. M22 means second row second column elements. Second row second column elements is A22, means minor of A22 you have to find, and that is you will not take second row and second column, means corners you will take A11, A13, A31 and A33. This you cross multiply, you get this. Now same as it is, we have to find A23. A23 means second row third column elements, that is A23, means you will not take second row and third column, means remaining elements you write the minor of A23, means you write here A11, A12, A31, A33 determinants, that you will open by the cross product. You will understand this. Same as it is, we have to find the A31. A31 means third row and first column elements, means minor of A31 we have to find, that is third row and first column will not take, remaining elements you write, and this determinant you open by the cross product, you will get your answer. Find A32. A32, how we can find? A32 means third row second column elements, this is the minor of A32. A32 means third row and the second column will not take, remaining elements you can write, and this is the 2 into 2 determinants, you can cross multiply, you will get answer A11, A23 minus A21 into A13. Last you can see, that is we have to find a M33. M33 means third row, this the element means A3 minor of A33, that is third row and third column will not take, remaining elements you take, and that you will open by the cross product. So hope you understand, you can find all the minors of all the elements, means 9 minors we find here. Now look here, you have to understand this, find minors of element -2, -5 and 6 of the determinants. In this we have these elements and for these elements you have to find the minors. So first this determinant is given to you, that you check. Now you have to find the minor of -2, means -2 is where? -2 is here. This is the first row and the third column, so it is a minor of 13. 13 means minor of -2, and that will be these elements we will take 4, -5, 3 and 5. This you will solve by cross product, 4 5 are 20 minus for formula, and this is cross multiply, remaining cross multiply is 3 into -5 -15, you solve, you get 35. Same as it is, we will find you will check the next element is -5. So where is this -5? You check first second row and second column. So here this you can understand that minor, this is M1, M22 you have to find. M22 is minor of -5. How we can find minor of -5? You can check here. You will not take these elements. These elements will not take. So remaining you can check 1, -2, 3 and 2 you will take, and you cross multiply. You will get your answer, that is 8. Next is minor of 6 you have to find. Where is the 6? You have to check. Where is the 6? 6 is here. Look here. This is 6 is where? Second row and third column, means remaining elements 1, 3 and 3, 5 to take, and cross multiply, you will get your answer. So this you can check. That is M. 2, 3 is minor of 6, that will be 1, 3 and 3, 5, that cross multiply, you get your answer minus. Called a cofactors. Now what is the cofactors that we have to understand? Cofactors of an element Aij is denoted by Aij, and it is given by Aij equal to -1 power I plus j and Mij. This is the same as the minor, only the minus sign extra will be here. So how we get extra sign, that we have to understand here. A2 into 2 determinant is given to you, and you have to find the cofactors. First cofactor will be A11. A11 means first row and first column elements you will take, that is cofactor of A11, and that is equal to 1 1 sum is what is 2, so -1 power 2, and that is M11. M11 is here A22, so A22 you can write. Same as it is, the next is you have to find A12. 12 is where? 12 means first row and second column elements, means you have to find the cofactor of 1 2, and 1 2 means 1 and 2 sum is what is 3, so minus 1 power 3, and m12 is what is here, that is 2 1, and m12 you write minus a21. Same as it is, we have to find here a21. 21 means second row first column element, second row and first column elements means cofactor of a21, and a21 also sum is minus 3, so minus 1 power 3 and m21, and that will be minus m21, m21 is here, this is minus 812. Similarly, we find here this we can say a22. a22 means second row and second column elements means cofactor of a22, that is minus 1 power 4. m22 is here, what is a11. So look here, you can check here, that is the sign, you can check plus, minus, minus and plus. So for the cofactors you will keep in mind this sign, you can keep in mind direct sign also, that for the first element you have row first cofactor will be plus sign, second row second column element will be extra negative sign, and here negative sign, similarly plus sign. So hope you understand this part. Look here, if you are given 3 into 3 determinant, then also you can understand these cofactors, that a11 will equal to plus m11, a12 will be minus m12, a13 will be equal to plus m13, and a21 will be equal to minus m21, a22 will be plus m22, a23 will be equal to minus m23, a31 will be equal to plus a31, and a32 will be equal to minus a32, a32 equal to minus m32. Look here, in this all case you can check, that is the much important, that if sum of these portion is even, then you have plus sign, and if the sum of I and j is odd, you have minus. So look here, in this all case you can check the same position. Here the first cofactors will be plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus and plus, that you can check. So this you have to learn this position. Here some properties of cofactor also have. This is determinant is given, that is the determinant, value of determinant we represent by the triangle, sum of the product of element of any row with their corresponding cofactors. Look here, you can understand the determinant, value of determinant will be equal to sum of the product of elements of any row with their corresponding factors. So for if you find the cofactors and if you multiply by their corresponding elements and you will add, then you get the value of determinants. So value of determinants we can find by small a11 and capital A11. Capital A11 means factor and small a11 means element, plus a small a2 and capital A12, and next is plus small a13 capital A13. This is the value of the determinant. Similarly, you can find the second row also, for the third row also, and for column wise also you can check. For column wise also you can find the value of determinant. So value of determinant we can find by 6 way. Okay, so that you can understand. What is the next property? You can understand this determinant is given to you if elements of a row or column are multiplied with the cofactor of any other row, means you have to multiply by cofactor of any other row, then what you will do, that is the property, then their sum is 0. That time the sum will be 0. Okay, if cofactor of first row is a1 capital A11 capital A12 capital A13 multiplied by corresponding elements of second and third row, then their sum is 0, means you can check. This is the a21, small a21 multiplied by capital A11 plus small a22 is multiplied by capital A12 plus small a23 multiplied by capital A13, and that will be equal to 0. Similarly, the second portion you can understand. Let's check. The cofactors of second column are given to you a12, a22 and a32 are multiplied by other columns, then their sum is 0, means here we will take the elements of a first row, first column and a third column, but the cofactors are of the second column. So these we multiply, a small a11 multiplied by a12 plus small a21 multiplied by capital A22 plus small a31 multiplied by a capital A32 equal to 0. Similarly, for the third row also we multiply by the cofactors, then the answer will be 0. This type question generally given in the multiple choice question, which is the true, which is the false statement, that will be given to you, that you have to find out. Look here all of you, we will do here the question find minus of elements of the determinants. The determinant is given, you have to find the minus of, this is 3 into 3 determinant is given and you have to find minus. First you find capital M11, means minor of first row and first column elements, that is the remaining elements you write here, you can check. And these you have to open by cross multiply. So when you cross multiply, 0 into minus 7 is 0, and 4 into 5 is 20, and that is get minus 20. Similarly, we find next is M12. M12 means first row second column elements, that is here. So you will not take these elements. So remaining we have 1, 6 and 4 minus 7. So this also you cross multiply, you will get your answer minus 46. We find here M13. M13 means first row third column element, first row third column elements. So these first row and third column will not take. We will get this new determinants, and that you cross multiply, you get 30 minus 0, that is 30. And next is here, that is A21. A21 means second row first row column, and second row and first column will not take. So remaining elements will be minus 3, 5 and minus 7, that you cross multiply, you will get 21 minus 25, that is minus 4. Same as it is, we find here you can check here M22 means here second row and second column will not take, you get 2, 5 and 1 and minus 7, that you write here, you cross multiply, you get minus 14 minus 5 equal to minus 19. Same as it is, you can check, you have to find the A23. A23 means second row and third column you will not take. So 2 minus 3, 1 and 5 will take, and that you cross multiply, you get 10 minus 3, that is equal to 13. Next we will find the M31. M31 means third row and the first column you will not take. So remaining elements we will take here, and that you will open cross product, you will get 12 minus 0 equal to minus 12. Same as it is, we will find here M32. 32 means third row and second column you will not take. Remaining elements 2, 5, 6 and 4 you will take, and that you cross product, you will get 8 minus 30 equal to minus 22. Same as it is, we will find here, you can check M33. M33 means third row and the third column you will not take. Remaining elements you will take, and you cross product, you get 0 minus 18, that is plus 18. So this type you have to find the minus of all the elements you can find. It is the find the cofactors of all the elements. Now we have to find the cofactor. So how we can find cofactor, you can understand. First we find capital A11. Capital A11 means sum of capital 11 is what is even number, so here sign is plus. And first row and first column you will not take. First row and first column you will not take. What you will get, look here. And that you will do cross product, 3 1 the 3 and minus 0, that is 3 you will get. Same as it is, we find A12. A12 means 1 and 2, sum is 3, 3 is a odd number, that is you have negative sign. And 1 2 means first row and second column will not take, that is remaining elements is 2, 5 minus 2 and 1, that you will write here. This you cross product you will do, you get here minus and bracket 2 minus 10 bracket close, that will be equal to minus 12. Same as it is, we will find here A13. 13 means 1 and 3 sum is plus, so you have your plus sign. And 13 means first row and third column will not take. Remaining elements you will have here, that you write, and this cross product you will get 0 minus 6, that is 6 we will get. A21. A21 will be equal to second row and first column will not take. Remaining elements you will write here, that is 1 2 1 is sum is odd number, so you write outside this negative. Now these remaining elements are minus 1, 2, 0 and 1, that you will write, and cross product you will get answer 1. Same as it is, we have next is A22. We have to find A22 means second row and second column elements you will not write. Remaining elements you write, and then you cross product you will get here 5. Next is same as it is, we have to find A23. 23 is sum is odd number, so you write here negative sign, and then 23 means second row and third column will not write, so remaining elements you write as it is, and you cross product you will get your answer 2. Next is the same as it is, we have here A31. A31 meaning is sum is even, so you have your plus sign, and 31 means third row, and third row and first column you will not write. Remaining elements you write here, and these remaining elements you cross product you will get answer minus 11. Same as it is, we find for the other also. Again cross product, A32 means here you will not write third row and second column element remaining 1 2 and 2 5, that you will write, and cross product you get minus 1. Next is A33. A33 means third row and third column you will not write, so 1 minus 1 2 and 3 elements you write here, cross product you get here 5. So hope you understand this minor and cofactor.